so she's gonna go swimming. Right, Greta?
Yeah,
go cool off.
Okay.
Warm? You better make it to the side because I ain't jumping in to save you. I said, you better make it to the side because I'm not jumping in to save you.
So how warm is it?
Tell Greta, was it cold? Was it cold?
It's colder than the air.
That's one crazy girl.
Toasted.
The Savior's over there.
You didn't go swimming. You weren't in there long
She
enough.
did. She swam all the way to the side.
But it's not a long swim. It was more of a dip.
Excuse me. I can't tell. It's 55.
55 is what you said.
Yeah, I did.
Crazy girl, Lexi. Go jump in the hot shower.
Go jump in again. Yeah, go jump in again, Greta.
Want me to?
Yeah.